AT&C and transmission and distribution losses are there.
The Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council today held a condolence meeting to condole the demise of Nongthymmai sitting MDC Latiplang Kharkongor, who had passed away on Thursday evening. KHADC CEM Pinyat Singh Saim paid tribute to the departed leader and recalled his contribution to the council in various capacities, including as a former chief executive member. He highlighted Kharkongor's dedication and contributions to the council, having been elected 4 times since 2004, demonstrating the people's trust in him. Latiplang Kharkongor, MDC of Nongthymmai constituency, passed away on September 12 at Shillong Civil Hospital after a long battle with illness.
Te kumjuru ni pha kubor smolem ru ik pai ba kanok my constituency